Hi everyone, welcome to My Diaries 20th. This is Dr. Neeti. I hope you guys are doing fine. So I'm back in another video, and this time it is like my top movie recommendation. Since we are still in lockdown, we do not know when the world will get normal. Till that time, we can enjoy ourselves and watch these movies, as these movies are all the latest movies. I'm sure majority of you haven't seen those movies, and still these movies can be like a good stress buster, so you can watch these movies. And if you want to know about my recommendations, then you have to keep on watching. Now let's talk about the first category of the movies, which are the relatable movies. It feels as if the writer of the movie knew that these things will happen in the future. So ऐसे लग रहा था जैसे राइटर को कुछ इंट्यूशन हो गई है कि ये सब होने वाला है. So these movies are the movies of the times we are currently living in, that is lockdown. So you have to watch these movies. So in the first category, I have 3 movies to be watched, and I'm sure after the outbreak of this virus, these movies, you must have watched these movies. So only this category is something that you must have watched, otherwise all the movies are the latest. So let me talk about my number 1 movie in this category, which is the movie I Am Legend. It was like in 2007, and it is a good Will Smith movie that you have to watch. It is like the world has come to an end, and they're all zombies all around, and this movie is like a good movie. So I'm sure you must have watched this movie, and if you haven't, then you have to see this movie in the lockdown. So talking about the second movie, which is again, it is like the most famous movie, of the lockdown, which is Contagion. It is a 2011 movie, which is like, it is as if it is happening right now. You can completely and totally relate with all the facts, all the depictions in that movie. So you have to watch Contagion, which was released in 2011. Now moving on to the third movie, which is World War Z. It is a Brad Pitt movie, first of all, so you can watch that. Otherwise, the second thing is that it is also a movie related to an outbreak of a virus or of a disease, which can lead to multiple problems, living dead kind of situation, zombies all around. So it is another movie that you have to watch this lockdown. So these 3 movies are like my relatable movies, which we can relate to in the current times. Now let us talk about the Hindi category. So I've tried to include all those movies that I am assuming that you must have not seen it yet, because there's so many famous movies that you must have already watched. So I've only included those movies that I am assuming that you guys must have not seen it. So since we all know, Irfan Khan and Rishi Kapoor, they both passed away. So I've tried to include one movie of each actor, of both of them. So let us talk about the first movie, which is Kareeb Kareeb Single. So it is like a Jab We Met in reverse. Here the male character is so bubbly, full of life, and the female character is like reserved one. So the male character is Irfan Khan. So you have to watch this movie. It's really nice, sweet, and lovely movie. So you have to watch this movie, Kareeb Kareeb Single. Now talking about the second movie, which is a Rishi Kapoor movie, it is another movie that you have to watch. It is a movie called as 102 Not Out. So it stars Amitabh Bachchan, Rishi Kapoor, and it is a story of a father, his son, and then his son. So this story is something that you must watch, because for the acting and for the entire script you have to watch this movie, because this movie is really nice. Another good tea time movie. Now talking about the third movie that you must have not seen yet, which is Ujda Chaman. Again, it is a movie about a bald man and a girl that they both meet through a matrimonial website, and the story that evolves between them, and it is a really nice movie with a good message that you must watch. Now talking about the fourth movie, which is not exactly Hindi, but it is a Punjabi movie that has actually introduced me to Punjabi movie, and the movie is hilarious. It is a laughter riot. So that movie is Vadhaiyan Ji Vadhaiyan, which means in Hindi Badhai Ho Badhai. So it is not Badhai Ho Badhai ka Punjabi version या उसको पंजाबी में डब किया हुआ है. No, it is a typical Punjabi movie, and this movie is hilarious. Of course, you'll see the posters of these movie like here. This movie Vadhaiyan Ji Vadhaiyan is also on Prime, so you have to watch this movie. You have to watch. It is like hilarious. It is a comedy blockbuster movie. So if you know Punjabi language, I'm sure Hindi and Punjabi, they're almost similar, so you can definitely watch this movie. Now talking about the next movie, which is again now moving on to the English movies again. Let us talk about the next category, which is the drama category, and I've only put one movie in that category because according to me that movie deserves 11 stars out of 10, and you know, it has touched my heart and soul to the deepest level. And I guess the main actor of the movie, which you know, which he only carried this movie on his shoulders, the main actor of the movie, Joaquin Phoenix, he got the award of Best Actor Oscar award, and this movie was released in 2019. I'm talking about the movie The Joker. So I think, you know, he has changed the Joker for me, you know, completely. Now I'll never see the Joker in the same light, you know, Joker of the Batman series, I guess. He has played that. So, you know, this movie deserves a part 2, and this movie, I have no words. This movie has touched me on many levels, and you know, it is a must watch movie. If you get a chance to see only one movie before you die, this movie is a must watch, because you know, it will tell you that, you know, behind every negative person there are circumstances, and you know, nobody turns negative like that. So even you know, we worship our superheroes like Avengers and everybody, but we never think about the negative characters. You know, they might have some backstory. So this movie deserves a, you know, kiss from my side, and you know, it deserves all the attention. You have to watch this movie Joker, because I'll keep on talking about it. So now let us talk about the last two categories, which are like really close to my heart and are my favorite categories. So the second last category is the thriller category, and the last category would be the horror category. So in thriller category, I'm talking about the things that you have, movies that you haven't seen. Of course, there's so many movies, like I love Dan Brown movies, like, you know, Robert Langdon series like Angels and Demons, Da Vinci Code, you know, they've always been my favorite, but I'm trying to include those movies that you must have not seen. So talking about my first movie in the thriller category is the movie Escape Room. So it is a movie, you know, it is a movie about a game in which, you know, 4 or 5 people from different backgrounds, they enter the game, and you know, after every step one of them gets wiped out. So all of them think that they are in a game, but they do not know that this game has turned into something serious, and wiping out doesn't mean that you're out of the game. It means that you're out of this world. You're getting dead after every level. So it is like a really nice movie. So I'm not telling you, I'm not divulging all the other details, important details, suspense. So you have to watch this movie Escape Room. Now talking about the second movie, which is the movie Searching. So it was like a short and sweet movie. You know, I was randomly scrolling and I just started watching this movie, and it is again the movie you will not shut down. You will keep on wanting to know that what is happening next. So you'll keep on looking at the movie, you keep on watching that movie, since it's a suspense movie. So you have to watch the second movie, which is The Searching. Now talking about the third movie, which is again an interesting movie, which is a movie called as Courier. So it is again, you know, it is like the action-packed thriller. Obviously, there's no like end. You know, it is not like a mystery that will unfold. So it is all about the action, like a girl trying to save a boy, and you know, it's a good movie. So you have to watch this movie. Although I'll not say it's a complete thriller, but it is like a thriller mix action, and you'll not turn your eyes out of the screen. So let us talk about the last category, which is like my favorite category, which is horror. So you know, I can never start this category without mentioning my favorite movie, which is The Nun. It is not that much scary. If you're into like really scary movies, it's not that much scary, but it is my favorite movie. I really love that movie. So you can watch The Nun. Otherwise, you can. I'll be mentioning the 3 movies which are the latest movies. So talking about the other 3 movies. So the second movie is The Women in Black 2. So you know, you must have seen The Women in Black 1, which was like really scary. It was like much scarier and much better than Women in Black 2. Black 2 is not that much, you know, scary, but it is also if it's a new movie, and of course you can watch that movie if you haven't watched it yet. Now talking about the third movie in this category, which is the movie It Chapter 2. So if you have seen It Chapter 1, then this movie is like the part 2. So you have to see It Chapter 1, which I have already seen. So for you know, little bit to watch this movie so that you can relate to. So it is a movie about a ghost in the shape of a clown. So you know, it disrupts the lives of few children, you know, children gang. So It Chapter 2 is about all these children grow up, and how again the clown comes and, you know, start scaring them and, you know, taking their lives. So you know, you can watch that movie. Now talking about the last movie in this category, which is Annabelle Comes Home, because you know, talking about this movie, it is not at all scary. Annabelle and Conjuring movies are like little bit scary, but this movie is not at all scary. If you get really scared a lot, easily, then you can watch Annabelle Comes Home because it's not all scary, but this movie is like really nice. So guys, those were like my top movie recommendations in this lockdown. So if you have no other work and if you are really a movie junkie, a movie buff, then you can watch these movies and, you know, thank me later. So before ending, I would like to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for all the love and the likes. And to know me more and to get more notifications of more interesting videos, you have to like me and subscribe me over here. And to know me personally, you have to like me and subscribe me on the other social medias. I am on Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram and Twitter by the same name, My Diaries 28. You have to follow me over there. I'm on all accounts by the name of My Diaries 28. So it is like MYDIARIES 28. They all are in small and all are together. So it is not, some people you know, keep on searching My Diary. It is not diary, My Diaries 28. So you have to follow me on all the accounts by the same name, and I will catch up with you with my next video. Until then, keep watching movies, keep enjoying life, and if you have glasses like me, then keep on increasing your number. So I'll catch up with you next time. Bye bye.